Don't throw it away, all right?
Right.
Twist. Pull. Strike pose. Throw.
Frag out!
Get down.
Did a little practice first, just throwing some, not live grenades, but just practice grenades. And I did more practice, and we're about to go to the assault course. It definitely helps a lot because obviously most people here haven't actually thrown a grenade or touched a grenade, and just following the steps of what you actually need to do. And then over there we did like the different positions, standing, kneeling, and the prone. So it just helps actually do the reps and get that done.
Shit, yep.
Throw.
Frag out!
You are getting the reps before you actually go to the HGAC. So you get in the reps. We got in 2 reps there. We got in like 5 reps here in different positions, which is the positions that we will be in the HGAC. So that way you get some confidence and that you will do well in the actual HGAC. I have not. This is my first time, and it was hard. I'm not gonna lie, but I got some practice in. I think I'll do okay, but we'll see how it goes.
Perfect.
Sweep the clip, twist, pull, cooking. Frag out!